Open System Interconnect, OSI. Open System Interconnect. What is this? Open System Interconnect. This is a standard. Some even call it as a reference model. Nothing wrong in calling it a reference model. OSI, Open System Interconnect, is a standard. It's a standard. Standard for what? Standard for network devices. See, if you are willing to design a vehicle, there is a standard that you should follow. Otherwise, you will not be allowed to drive it in the road. Vehicles size, a lot of things are there, need to match with the standard. I'm not sure how exactly I can put this. If you take a Jeep length can be 8 feet. The breadth can be 4.5 feet. If it is more than that, it will be a disturbance to others while driving in the road. So, any car manufacturer should stick on to that standard. Only then the car is allowed to be registered and to be on the road. Likewise, the soap manufacturer, they also follow a standard. For Indian people, there is a standard. For a European country, there is another standard for soap manufacturer, not the same. For a country like Sweden, they don't see much sunlight, so they get psoriasis. To prevent getting psoriasis, there is a standard for the soap manufacturer to follow. They put some additional chemical when they manufacture the soap. That same soap is not good for Indians to use. According to Indian climate, surrounding, we have different combination, different standard to follow. Accordingly, the soaps in India are manufactured. So even for soap, you see, we have a standard. When you take hotels, there is a standard. If a hotel says we are 5-star certified hotel, it means that hotel will have at least 12-inch height cozy bed. It will have a very good coffee maker inside, a refrigerator inside. There will be a gym. There will be a swimming pool. There will be a very good restaurant inside. Air conditioned, centralized. These are all the meaning to say we are 5-star certified hotel. That's a standard. 5-star is one standard. 3-star is another standard. 7-star is another standard. That's the way that we measure the standard. Likewise, For a device in a network, the manufacturers follow a standard. That standard is what we call it as OSI, Open System Interconnect. Without this standard, device cannot be used publicly to talk to other public device. What is the make of your laptop? Are you using HP, Lenovo? What is the make of your laptop?
Um,
Okay, yours is Dell. Unfortunately,
yes.
mine is also Dell. But
Okay.
for having this online class, is Dell laptop important? No. I can be with Mac also. I can be with Sony laptop also. Still, we can have class. Though you are in Dell, you are using Dell. I no need to have same Dell to communicate to you. I can buy one HCL laptop. Olden days we used to have India made HCL laptop. I can even have one HCL laptop to communicate to your Dell laptop. But are they manufactured in same company? No. Not even in same continent. HCL is manufactured in one continent, Dell is in another continent. Then how they understand each other? When I send a document from HCL laptop, Dell laptop can open that same document in the same way that I have sent. How is that possible? It is because the standard used in manufacturing these two laptops are same. OSI, sorry, HCL and Dell followed same standard. That is why whatever the data that my laptop generates, right now I am talking to you. Am I generating the packet? No, I'm just talking. My laptop is picking up my voice through the mic. My laptop is generating the packets. HCL laptop is generating the packet. And that packet is opened by Dell laptop in your side. And you are able to hear my voice in the same manner that I spoke. It is because both the devices have common standard. The look of the laptop may differ, the manufacturer may differ, even the motherboard differs in the chipsets. It's not the same number of registers and capacitors. In spite of all this variation, there is one thing common that makes these devices to understand each other is the standard OSI. Now, in between my laptop and your laptop, there are many switches and routers. Many switches, many routers, they don't belong to same company. Different companies are there in between. Different ISPs are there in between. And all these devices are also of same standard. That is why we are able to have successful communication. we are having successful communication, it is because of the standard OSI. Routers, switches, firewalls, everything is built using this common standard called OSI, Open System Interconnect. Now, OSI is proposed by ISO. That's why I took a lot of examples like hotels, soap. Soaps are ISO certified. Hotels are ISO certified. They are the one who fix a standard. It's the same ISO fixed a standard for network communication devices, and that is called as OSI, Open System Interconnect. You might have heard about ISO certified hospital, ISO certified clinics, ISO certified hotels. That same ISO has proposed this OSI. And when you manufacture a router or a switch or a laptop, because it is according to the ISO standard, they will give you certification. They will certify you. Then you can also be in the market selling your product. So you can also become a manufacturer when you follow the standard. OSI, Open System Interconnect. OSI. Now, this OSI standard has got 7 layers. That's it. So these are the 7 layers. Now let's see from the top. Application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link, and physical layer. See, these are all going to do a specific function. These layers are logical layers. This logical layers does some logical functions. If a packet need to be a eligible packet to be sent over the internet, there is a need for preparation. That preparation is what defined in the 7 layers. application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link, and physical. What do they tell us? They teaches us, they tells us what type of preparation done to the data so that it can be sent successfully from my laptop to your laptop. We are geographically in different location, but the voice that I'm 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 generating here, it comes in your speaker. So someone has so carefully captured my voice and carried it to you over the network. And my voice did not go to your neighbor, it has come to you only. It has not gone to someone in Kotambati village. It has come to your place, your house, your laptop correctly without any confusion. I'm speaking from here, it comes to you only. Whoever is in this call, only they get the packet. But the internet is a very big mesh of network. It didn't go anywhere else in the mesh. It has come straight to you. It is all because of this 7 layers. Data is generated by your voice. But to take the data and wrap it nicely with all the identification of your computer and sending it to you, who does that? It is these layers. So each layer has got specific function. Application layer, we call this as layer 7. And data link is layer 2. Physical layer is layer 1. This is the order, and we should know in order. Application layer, presentation layer, session, transport, network, data link, physical. You should know this in exact sequence. No flipping. Okay, so we are going to go in detail of each layer, what they do.